What is up, guys, and welcome to the channel. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys an easy method you can go and do and make some money very fast using Clickbank and Instagram. So Instagram is one of the best methods you can go and use right now and actually earn a lot of money on Clickbank, and many people don't know how to go and actually make money on Clickbank using Instagram. I'm going to show you guys what is the simplest method that many people are using already, and they're already making money, and I'm using this method as well, and I'm making money from this method. What you're going to do is you can go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video, implement this method. You can go and make your first $500 plus very fast with what I'm going to show you guys for 100% free. You don't need any website at all, and you don't need any money at all to go and get started with what I'm going to show you guys and start making some easy money on Instagram using Clickbank. So the first thing you're going to do from here with this method is you're going to go to clickbank.com and you're going to go and sign up for a free account so you can go and promote products as an affiliate on clickbank.com. What you can do is you can go, for example, to clickbank.com, and there's another website that's called Digital24. So if Clickbank is not available in your country, you can go and use Digital24 to go and promote your affiliate offers and still make a lot of money online. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to clickbank.com and you're going to sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you're going to go to the marketplace. You're going to find a lot of affiliate offers that you can go and use and promote on Instagram and actually make a lot of money. So I'm just going to choose one affiliate offer from here. I'm going to show you guys how to go and promote this and start earning some money very fast online without investing any money at all. So once you go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, you can also find a lot of offers in a lot of categories from here. You can see art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system. You're just going to choose an affiliate offer in any of these categories from here. So one of the best categories to go and promote affiliate offers on Instagram is by using this spirituality niche. You can see right here, spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. If you click on this, it's going to show us a lot of affiliate offers in this category that you can go and promote and actually earn a lot of money on Instagram. And this niche actually converts very well on Instagram. I'm going to show you guys the method that many people are using already and they're promoting this affiliate offer. Once you go to the spirituality niche, what you're going to do from here is you're going to find a lot of offers from here. The first thing you're going to do from here is going to make sure that the affiliate offer you're going to promote has a gravity of at least 10 and above. You can see this one is up to 188. And next, you're also going to make sure that it's going to pay you a high commission. So you can see right here, the initial sale of this one is only at $17. We're going to look for one that is going to pay us a lot more higher money. You can see this one, so manifestation. So people are making thousands per day by promoting this affiliate offer. You can see it's going to pay you initial payments of $22. You can see this one right here, bioenergy code is also converting very well right now. You can see you're going to get paid up to $53 per sale when somebody buys this offer. So let's check out this offer. So let's go to the sales page of the offer itself. I can also go to the affiliate support page. You can see right here, you can go and find a lot more information about this particular product and a lot more information about the upsells as well. So let's go to the sales page, to the affiliate support page. You can see the affiliate support page. So you can see right here, many people are promoting this affiliate offer already and they're actually making a lot of money from here, which means that we're going to promote this affiliate offer as well. You can also go and make a lot of money from here. So you can see right here, you can go and earn up to $133 per sale. So one person can go and buy up to $133 and you can go and earn up to $133 from just one person. So that is actually very, very high. So what you're going to do from here is you're going to check out the sales page. So let's check out the sales page right here. So it's a video sales page, and that's good because video sales pages tend to convert a lot higher. I can go and get a lot more higher conversions by using from a product has a video sales page. So let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So this is a law of attraction and this is a manifestation type of offer. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Instagram and you're going to create a free account. So let me just go to Instagram and let me show you guys as an example. So this is me, I'm on Instagram. You can see right here. What you're going to do is once you go to Instagram, you're going to go and look for accounts that are related in your niche. So you're going to look for accounts, for example, that are related to law of attraction. So let me show you guys an example right here. You can see this is a law of attraction and this is a spirituality type of page right here on Instagram. I can see they're getting a lot of engagement from here, and these are the exact type of pages that many people are using to go and promote that affiliate offer right here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to instagram.com. You're going to sign up for a free account. So you can see right here, you're going to create a similar account to this one. You can go and model this particular page right here after watching this video. You're going to create a simple description from here. For example, you can go and just model this. You can just go and copy this and use it in your own account as well. Next, you're going to add a link to your affiliate offer from here. So you're going to go, for example, to Linktree. So you can use, for example, this tool is called Linktree. So you go to the website, it's called Linktree. It's going to enable you to go and input your affiliate link inside Linktree. I can go and link people back from Instagram to your affiliate offer without your links getting blocked, because if you're going to input your affiliate links directly on Instagram, it's going to get blocked on Instagram. So make sure that you're going to go and use a simple landing page. You can go and use Linktree, and it's 100% free. Once they're done from here, what you're going to do is you're going to post this type of images right here, this type of love attraction type of images on Instagram. So people that are going to be interested in the love attraction are going to be attracted to your own Instagram page, and many of them are going to click on this link, and since they're interested in the love attraction, many of them are going to go and actually buy this affiliate offer from here, because this is a love attraction type of product, and many people that are interested in the love attraction are going to go and buy this affiliate offer right here. So what you're going to do from here is you're going to go and look for this type of pages right here. You're going to look for this type of pages. Are you going to go and model what they're already doing? Because right here, if I click on this link, you're going to see that it's going to actually take me to an affiliate offer either on Digital24 or on Clickbank. So let me just wait for that to load. And before that, let me show you guys something right you're going to go and do right here. You're going to make sure that when you post an image right here, you're going to see that you're going to make a call to action. So let me wait for this one to load. Most of the time, they're going to ask you to go and click the link in the bio and go to the affiliate offer, and they're also going to post a lot of hashtags right here to go and get a lot of exposure right here. What you're going to do is you're going to do the same. You're going to post similar posts like this. You're going to make sure that you're going to use a lot of hashtags that's going to help you to go and get a lot of traffic on Instagram. So let me show you guys this one. So this person's promoting this product right here, and it's on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do to go and find this type of pages from here. You can just go to the search bar and type, for example, love attraction. Once type, for example, love attraction, you're going to find a lot of this type of pages from here. If I click on this one, you're going to find a lot of this type of pages right here that in the love attraction niche, and many of them are promoting affiliate offers in the description of their pages, because Instagram traffic actually converts very well on Clickbank offers, especially in the spirituality niche. What you're going to do there is they're going to go and download all these images from here. You're going to post it back on your own Instagram page, because these images are not original. What these people are doing as well is that they're just downloading these images right here. They're just downloading these images from other pages, and they're posting it back on their own pages, and they're promoting their own affiliate offer. What you're going to do is you're going to post at least 5 posts every day to promote your affiliate offer, so you're going to get a lot of traffic from here. So let me show you guys how to go and download these images very easily. So this is a love attraction type of post from here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this. You're going to go and download this one. You're going to click on this, and next you're going to copy the URL of this image right here. So let me show you guys. You can say URL, copy the URL, and next you're going to go to the website. It's called ingrammer.com. So it's the website. It's called ingrammer.com. It can go and help you to go and download these images very easily. Once you go to Google and type ingrammer.com, you're going to see right here Instagram video downloader. You can go and download photo downloader. You're going to go to photo downloader, click on this. It's going to give you an option to go and download these images for 100% free, and you're going to download all these images, and you're going to upload it back on your Instagram page. You're going to ask people to go and click and go back to your affiliate offer. I'm also going to use a lot of hashtags. Once you input your URL right here, just click on search. It's going to search for that image, and it's going to give you a link to go and download it for 100% free. Very easy. And you're just going to take that same image, post it back on your Instagram page, and ask people to go and click and go back to your affiliate offer, as you're going to leave your link in the description of all your posts right here. You're going to make sure you're going to input your link right here to your Clickbank affiliate offer or Digital24 affiliate offer. So let's check out that image. So you can see this is the image right here. You can see it's giving us a link to go and download. So we click on this. That's it, the image has already been downloaded. We're just going to go and upload it back on your page. So we're going to go and do this for 10 days. You're going to get a lot of traffic. You can go and make a lot of sales. So if you go to Instagram after watching this video, you're going to go and use this method of showing you guys. You're going to post at least 5 images per day to promote your affiliate offer. You can go and get a lot of traffic. So that's it. What you're going to do is you're going to post at least 5 posts per day, and you're going to go and leave a call to action. So let me click on this one, for example. You can start directing a call to action. And it's asking people to go and click on their link. You can start here, watch video now, link in the bio. So you're going to make sure that you're going to have call to action in all of your posts. I'm also going to make sure you're going to have a lot of hashtags from here. You can just go to this type of pages. You can just go and copy the hashtag that you're using, because this hashtag is helping them to go and actually get a lot of traffic on Instagram and a lot of exposure. What you're going to do from here next, you're going to go and follow people that are interested in the love attraction. Since you're promoting a love attraction product and you're creating a law of attraction type of group, you're going to look for people that are interested in the law of attraction to go and follow your page. What you're going to do is you're going to look for these type of pages from here. Once you see one of these pages, you can just go and click on this drop down. You're going to find a lot of related pages from here that can go and find a lot of people that are going to be interested in your own affiliate offer. What you're going to do is you can just go and click on this follow right here. You can go and see the followers. I'm just going to go and follow people that are going to go and follow this page because it means that they are already interested in the law of attraction, and many of them are more likely to go and follow you back and actually buy your affiliate offer. So that is a simple method you can go and use and actually make a lot of money very fast on Clickbank by using Instagram. This method 100% work. I've used this method, I've made a lot of money from this method, and I'm still using this method right now. So take action on this, and this is the best way to go and use and start making money very fast using Instagram and Clickbank. So subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified when I post new videos that's going to help you guys to start making some extra money online and take action on this method to see results. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.